Hi, I am Joe Okoro, a digital marketing coach. In this presentation, we are going to look at how to create a course content very quickly. Now, the question is, a lot of course content creators have asked this question: how can I create a course content so quickly? In fact, this question is one of the running questions in the minds of prospective course creators, and they have done researches to get answers to this question. So, if you happen to be one of those people who have asked this question, this brief video presentation is going to put an answer to this question. One of the many challenges that prospective course creators have encountered is this exact question, that is, how to quickly create a course content to build their online courses around. So, if you have entertained that problem in the past or currently, then be rest assured that you are not alone. And of course, that your question will be answered in this presentation. The first thing that will guide you when creating your own course content is what we call the course outline. Before you can put down your course outline, first you need to ask yourself this question. And that question is, what problem do I want to solve with this course? In fact, this question will form the basis of your course outline. And that is why you need to ask this question, because the answers to this question is what is going to be the basis of your course outline. So once you have asked this question, the next thing you need to do is you need to find a way to get answers to that question. And one of the way to get answers to the problem that you want to solve on your course is by doing a simple survey from your list of audience. Of course, your audience can be from any where. It could be people you have in your email contact. It could be people on social media. It could be people you have on your email list or anywhere that you have subscribers. All you need to do is just simply run a survey at them, direct it at them, and send it to them to take that survey. Of course, after taking that survey, you are going to get feedbacks. You are going to get responses from this survey. So once you have taken that survey, what you need to do is wait for a response. Now, in case you don't know how to do a survey, the thing you need to do to take your survey is ask a simple question on your profile. If you're using a social media profile, if you're using an email, you can simply send an email to some of your contact or some of your followings. Okay, so you can ask questions like, what is your number one challenge when it comes to you insert your topic? For example, if you are focusing on the weight loss market, you can ask this question: what is your number one challenge when it comes to weight loss? If you're focusing on investment, you can ask, what is your number one challenge when it comes to investment? If it's on health related issues like diabetes, arthritis, and the rest of them, you can simply ask the same question: what is your number one challenge when it comes to diabetes or arthritis? So, whatever it is, just insert your topic. So, this question is just a template that will help you to ask that question in your survey. Okay, so usually when you're getting your feedback, you're going to get a lot of them, a lot of responses will come back to you. When these responses come back, you're going to be getting different answers because this question is directed at different persons. But in the survey, you are going to notice a pattern, a repeating pattern of common responses. In fact, you want to focus on the responses that has more similar responses. And what you want to do is pick out that one that has the highest response and focus on answering it or providing a solution to that one. In fact, the solution you are providing is your online course. Remember, we said you need to identify the problem that your course will solve before you can create an outline. So your online course is going to be the solution to that problem. Okay, now to create the course, what you need to do is identify the problem, as we have already discussed. And to identify the problem, you need to take a survey. Then once the survey is out, you already know what the problem is. Then you need to outline the steps needed to take care of this problem for your audience. To do that, there are 4 steps that you need to take. So what are those 4 steps? The first step is you need to decide on what you want to accomplish with the course. Okay? To do that, you want to identify the theme, okay, or the subject matter of your course. And then you want to write a clear message of what your course will help your students to accomplish. In other words, you want to write out the goal that the course will help your students to accomplish. Okay? That is what that clear message is all about. So that's the first step you need to take. The second step is you need to develop your topics and subtopics. Of course, sometimes you are going to have topics on that topic, which is called subtopics. So what you want to do is want to list out all the steps that you need to complete a topic, all the steps that you need to complete a subtopic. Then you now need to plan the amount of time and the volume of content that you need to devote to each topic and subtopic. Okay, so the third step is, after doing that, you now need to structure your topics in sequence. What do I mean? Each topic or steps that you have put down on your outline should be properly arranged in order of sequence, serially, in a way that leads from one point to the next. For example, let's say that you need to arrange the topics in the right order from the beginning to end. You are going to do it in such a way that it will solve the problem, okay, or the challenge that is identified by the survey that you did earlier. Okay, so these are the 3 steps you need to take to create your course outline. In fact, what you have just done is what we call a course outline. That is steps 1 to 3. And that brings us to step 4. Step 4 is deciding on your delivery type. Once you have completed steps 1 to 3, which is creating your course outline, the next thing you need to decide is on your delivery format. Okay, depending on your audience, you can decide whether to offer your online course in video format, in audio format, or simply text format, or what we call ebooks. You could even decide to deliver it in multiple formats, a mixture of video and text format, or a mixture of all the formats that are available to you. So these are the steps you need to take to create a course outline for your online course. It is always a great option for you to offer a video option of your course so that your end goal is accomplished, especially if your course is a technical type or if your course requires abstract concepts to understand it, because video training helps comprehension. It aids understanding because people are able to visualize the training, so it has a higher impact on the mind of the students. So for best results, it's great for you to provide your online course in more than one format, because it is directed at different people. Different people learn with different formats. Someone may enjoy watching a video, another person may enjoy reading it, yet another person may enjoy listening to it via audio. So it's good you have more than one format when you decide to create the delivery of your course. Okay, at the end of the day, you should be able to accomplish your number 1 goal for your student, which is for them to get results at the end using the tips and strategies that you discussed in your course. If you need more help with online course creation, I'm inviting you to watch a free powerful video presentation on how you can create and launch your own online course. That video presentation is titled the 7-Figure Online Course Presentation. Inside this video presentation, you are going to learn how to create and launch an online course that sells. Take note, the point is creating an online course that sells. There is a difference between creating an online course or just creating an online course that sells. This video presentation teaches you how to prepare a course that actually sells in the market. Okay, so if you want to watch this video, what you need to do is use the link in the description of this video, that is right below this very video presentation, to access this powerful video presentation. If you enjoy watching this video presentation, please like, subscribe, and please leave your comments in the comment box below this video, and make sure that you get immediate access to this video to learn how to create your own online course. Thank you for watching, and do have a wonderful day.